After you have registered for your classes, you may wish to make changes to your schedule, such as dropping or withdrawing from a course, which we will show you how to in this video. You should always talk to your advisor before making that choice. If you plan to drop a course and have not spoken with your advisor, please do so before watching this video. Select Quick Links at the top right of the page, and then select eServices. Here you will need your STAR ID and password. Your STAR ID is the 2 letters, 4 numbers, 2 letters ID. If you've forgotten your password, select Need Login Help. If not, continue on. Select the box next to display name and make sure it is checked off. Then select Login. After logging in, select Courses and Registration under the Student Services menu on the left-hand side. Then on the right-hand side, select View/Modify. This is where you'll find a list of the courses you are currently registered for, as well as information such as your advisor and major. Before removing a class, you should always look at the last dates in the Drop/Withdraw column. Hover over the clock icon to display the last dates to drop or withdraw from a course. As you can see, you would have until June 1st to drop this course with no penalties, and through June 25th to withdraw from the course and receive a W. To remove a course from your schedule, click on the X icon on the left. Here you will need to type in your STAR ID password, then click Drop/Withdraw. If you were able to successfully remove the course, you will see a message stating the drop or withdraw was successful at the top of the page. If you go back to the View Modify page, you will see the course no longer shows up on your schedule. At this point, you may want to print a new copy of your schedule by clicking the Print Schedule link. That is all for how to withdraw/drop a course. If you have any questions, contact the Academic Advising Office.